Hello guys, and welcome back to another wonderful tutorial on how to use layer mask in Photoshop. Layer masks are powerful tools that allow you to control the visibility of different parts of a layer without permanently altering or destroying the original image. You ready? Let's get right to it. So with layer mask, I can make changes to these images without affecting or destroying the original image. So if I want to go back to the original image or how the image was in the beginning, I can just delete those changes I made. Then I'll get back my original image. And with layer mask, you can blend two or more images together. Alright, so let's try that and see. So this is my first image. And this is my second image. So I want to blend these two images together. Alright, so what we are going to do now is we are going to add layer mask to this image. So you click on add layer mask button at the bottom of the layers panel. So let's click on add layer mask. So you see a white thumbnail appear next to your layer. So this is the white thumbnail. Okay, so now we need to check the foreground and the background color. So always make sure you set the foreground color to black if you want to hide the part of your image, and you set to white if you want to unhide that part of your image. Okay, so now let's check the foreground color and the background color. So this is the foreground color and this is the background color. So if you want to hide that part of your image, you set the foreground color to black, and if you want to unhide that part of your image, you set the foreground color to white. Alright, so now I want to blend these two images together. So I will set my foreground color to black. And when you click on this small arrow next to the foreground and the background color, you can switch between the foreground and the background color. So as you can see, I'm switching between the foreground and the background color. So I want to blend these two images together. So I will set my foreground color to black. So let's switch the foreground color to black. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and select our brush tool. So this is the brush tool. Then we set our opacity to 50, then flow to 50, then smoothing to 100. So now start painting over the areas you want to hide. If you make a mistake, switch your foreground color to white and paint over the area to reveal it again. So now when you right click on an empty space, you can either increase or decrease the size of the brush. So let's right click and we can either increase or decrease the size of the brush. Alright, so now let's go ahead and blend these two images together. Alright, so if you make a mistake, you can switch your foreground color to white. Then you can paint over that area to reveal it again. Alright, we switch over to black, then we continue. Alright, so this is how you can blend two images together. So once you are satisfied, you can apply effects or adjustments, knowing that your original image remains untouched. So if I want to go back to my original image, I'll just click on the layer mask and hit delete button, and I'll get back my original image. Very simple. Alright, so this is how you can apply layer mask in Photoshop, and this is how you can blend two images together in Photoshop. So thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more wonderful Photoshop tutorials and tips. I'll see you guys in my next video.